Collision theory states that in order for a reaction to occur, particles must collide. The more collisions that occur in a given period, the faster the reaction. So the greater the concentration of reactants, the greater the rate of reaction. Increasing the temperature also increases the rate of reaction. As the temperature is increased, the particles become more energetic. In other words, velocity increases with increasing temperature. Because the particles are moving faster, the number of collisions in a given period increases. As you can see, not every collision is successful. For a collision to be effective, the reactants must have enough energy to break bonds and form new bonds. Let's take a look at the reaction between chlorine atoms and NaCl molecules. If the reactants are not energetic enough, no product is formed and the collision is said to be ineffective. As the reactants become more energetic, say by increasing the temperature, there is a point at which the reactants have just enough energy for an effective collision. This minimum energy is called the activation energy. But that's not the whole story. Not only do reactants need sufficient energy for an effective collision, they also need to collide in just the right way. In other words, the reactants must be oriented properly in space. If chlorine collides with the oxygen of NaCl, no reaction occurs. Or if chlorine collides with the nitrogen of NaCl, no reaction occurs. Only when chlorine collides with the chlorine do products form. So to review, for reactions to occur, reactants must collide. Their energy must be equal to or greater than the activation energy of the reaction. And they must collide with a proper orientation.